Hey, Shawnee here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I received this wonderful music cube. I've been avoiding opening it up so I can open it up on camera and look through it and talk about each thing. Now, if you don't know, I am a professional musician. I have a bachelor's in music education and I have a master's in music. I'm a music teacher. I am a performer. I actually have a gig later today I got to get ready for. So this is very special to me. Looking just at the puzzle itself, it actually has tracks. I think this is like, hold on, I think I know what puzzle this is. White core, I don't know actually. It's looking kind of different. Okay, maybe I don't know what it is. But let's look at each side. So here, let's look at, do we have two bass clefs? So we have do, that would be C in bass clef. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. There's my sick voice singing that. Bass clef again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, so this side and this side look identical. Kind of. There we go. Then we have one side that has alto clef, bass clef, treble clef, flat, natural, sharp, repeat sign, del segno, and that's probably the company that prints it. Here we have types of notes. Dotted half note or an augmented half note. Dotted quarter note, and I'm not calling these quavers, they're quarter notes. Dotted eighth note, 2/8 notes, triplet, often the threes on the top though. Quarter note, half note, 16th note, eighth note, 2/16, dotted eighth, followed by 16th note, what I just call the dotted rhythm. Then we have whole note, quarter rest. Now, technically, half rest and whole rest. Half rest will look identical to the whole rest. Like that. So I guess if you want a solved puzzle, make sure the half rest is facing that way. 1, 2, 4. Guessing time signatures. Half, quarter, eighth. Eighth rest, 16th rest, 32nd rest. Eighth note, 16th note, 32nd note. And we're back to here. Let's mix it up. Oh, as far as colors too, we've got this diagonal, that diagonal, that diagonal. A lot of, I don't know anything anyway specific to do it. What I would love to do, let me know if you can think of how to do this. I've been always wanted to make a puzzle that has notes on it where as you scramble it, it basically gives you the notes you play. Not just letters, not just like D, E, F, stuff like that, but maybe something on a staff. I haven't figured out how to do it where it would actually work. And what I would love for it to do is be able to where you can play it and then it sounds somewhat okay. I mean, as long as you stick to certain rules, things will work. Could I get all like purple on one side? Let's see what that looks like. If I can do all purple on one side. Oh, missing. There we go. All purple. Don't think I could do that on every side with one color. Wouldn't really work, I don't think. Would it? No, it wouldn't. Okay, let's see if I can solve it. And already this has gotten so much faster and nicer. It was kind of very slow and stiff, and then after just scrambling it, it's much nicer. So I might as well, I guess, start with that purple do, re, mi. So we'll put... Oh no, it's not all purple. But we'll start with one of the bass clefs. And that is do down there. So we've got... Do's up here. This re is right there. I need fa. There we go. Fa. Did I do it right upside down? Do, re, mi, fa, sol. I need la. La, 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 la. Where is it? Now, it might fool you with my raspy voice. I'm certified to be a choir teacher. I shouldn't be a choir teacher. So now we've got all that set. So this side has the rests. This side has the notes. Let's flip that triplet one around. That's good. That's what's supposed to be right there. So that was del segno right there. That is the wrong do. That do is not that one. There we go. Oh yeah, because that was 1/8 and this is 1/4 or 1/2. So where's 1/4? Ah, that has to be, that's the wrong so because that has to be the 16th rest. Okay. There we go. Whole first part is set. That is upside down. Let's fix it now. Then this needs to be a 16th note. That's right over there. So let's just kick that one back there out. Nope, did that wrong. Did I? No, I guess I did it right. Cool. Okay, nope. It's flipped. There we go. Okay, I think that was the flat. Is that right with the quarter? Something seems weird with that. Let's turn this, and that needs to be turned as well. So I can do... There we go. Correct orientation of the sharp. That's incorrect. What goes right there? Ah, it's that. Okay. There it is. There we go. Okay. Oh, the sharp's off again. I'll fix it right now. Okay. Top layer. That needs to be flipped. I can't just have one flipped edge. So that means another edge is flipped somewhere. Well, let's flip these two corners. So we'll do... There we go. Something's wrong here. So if you don't know, you can't just have two edges in the wrong spot. There has to be even parity, even number of swaps on a 3x3. Why is this giving me so much difficulty? Okay, so I'm just going to start here. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. And then here, we should have quarter note, dotted quarter note. So those two do need to be swapped. I figured it out. So these are rests, but that was a whole rest. And that rest is there, but that remember the whole rest was over the half rest. So this is upside down first. I mean, it doesn't really matter it's upside down because I'm going to mess it up anyways right now. This, so, and T need to swap, which means probably T and so needs to swap over here. No. Oh, so. T and so. So this one needs to go here. This one goes here. This one goes here. So. I think I did it. That had a weird twist in it I did not expect. So without a doubt, this is going to go on my desk so my students can check it out. I kind of wish once I was treble clef so they'd have do and treble clef as well. This definitely made it a little more difficult than I imagined because they have two bass clef do re mi's. But here's what I like about this. What I like about this is if you're slightly interested in music, this will introduce you to things that you might not have seen, such as that, or that, or that, or that, or that, or that, or that. So there's things that are new and that might be new in here. And if you have a teacher that could walk you through stuff, it's a nice introduction where it's like, what is that? Oh, it's just this. And you're like, oh, there's something new. And there's a gateway into it. Well, for the person who got this for me, thank you. This is going to be fun to solve multiple times over, and I'm sure my students are going to love to check it out. There's some other things I need to show as well, but we'll get to that in time. So thank you very much for watching. Please leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future, and it's always step by speedcubeview.com for more news and reviews.